Hi Skin Games, it's Kisha Hamilton, licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 1 of the open category for my case study. I will be serving as my own model. The goal of this 8-week case study is to restore and strengthen the skin on my abdomen by improving elasticity, firmness, and overall tone. This area has experienced laxity and stretch marks or striae alba due to previous weight fluctuations and pregnancy. And my target is a minimum of 50% visible improvement by the end of the study. To achieve these results, I will be focusing exclusively on microchanneling and secondary microcurrent as my treatment modalities. These treatments were selected to stimulate collagen production, improve circulation, and encourage controlled skin remodeling without overstimulating the tissue. Equally important is my home care routine. I'll be supporting the skin with daily hydration, barrier repair, and ingredients that promote healing so that the work done in the treatment room continues between sessions. This case study is not about aggressive correction. It's about consistency, cellular communication, and allowing the skin to heal and strengthen over time. I'm excited to document this journey and share the progress week by week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Toodaloo.